Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a perfume bottle poster on Adobe Illustrator. I just masked this perfume bottle and I'm just going to add a background on it. You can use any background that you'd like. I just used this one. And then I'm just going to place it behind that. And I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger, like that. Then I am going to name the perfume bottle. I'm just going to name it Breeze. I don't know what else to name it. And then you're just going to select any font that resonates with the perfume. I just use this one. And I'm just going to color it in white here. I'm just going to create outlines on this because I want it to be a little bit bolder so people can actually see the writing. So object path, offset path. I'll do like around 5. Okay, can't even see that. Oh, actually, I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to group it. And for the insides of it, I am, going to color it black or blue. Let's do a blue. Actually, let's maybe this color. Yeah. And then you can add like a symbol. I'm just going to quickly try to attempt waves here. Oh my god, that is not good. Oh, it looked decent. A little bit. That's gonna have to do. I'm just going to color it white here. Obviously, you're going to create a better logo than me, but this is just like an example. I'm going to make it a little bit thinner. I'm also going to put the logo up here in that color. Oh. Like that. And I am going to want to copy and paste this. Bring it down here. Actually, I just like the logo on that. You can add more stuff if you would like to, like the components of it and whatnot. But yeah, that is it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.